Welcome to Reka's EduGrid. Bharatiya University distance education exam is going to be conducted for final year students from 20th January 2021. During this COVID pandemic situation, the exam is conducted through online mode. In this video, I am sharing the timetable for all PG courses, B.Ed, Diploma, MBA and MCA. You can take a screenshot of your major. Now we can have a look at the timetable. First we'll start with the PG courses. MA Tamil, MA English Language and Literature, MA History, MA Economics, MA Journalism and Mass Communication, MA Criminology and Police Administration, MA Political Science and Public Administration, MCom, MCom with Computer Applications, MSW, MSc Mathematics, MSc Physics, MSc Chemistry, MSc Botany, MSc Bioinformatics, MSc Zoology, MSc Environmental Science, MSc Applied Psychology, MSc Computer Science, MSc Information Technology, MSc Animation and VFX, MSc Animation Game Design and Development, MSc Costume Design and Fashion, MSc Electronic Media Education, MSc Visual Communication, MA Yoga for Human Excellence. Next timetable is for MBA courses. First one is theory paper in lieu of project work for all specialization in MBA. Next, MBA General, MBA Airline and Airport Management, MBA Banking and Finance, MBA Entrepreneurship, MBA Export Management, MBA Financial Management, MBA Financial Service, MBA Hospital Management, MBA Human Resource Management, MBA International Business, MBA Investment Management, MBA Information System, MBA Logistics and Supply Chain Management, MBA Marketing Management, MBA Material Management, MBA Project Management, MBA Retail Management, MBA Service Management, MBA Shipping and Port Management, MBA Technology Management, MBA Tourism and Hotel Management, MBA Customer Relationship Management, and the last one is MBA 5 years integrated. Next one is timetable for MBA Executive Management for the candidates admitted from academic year 2011-12 onwards. And this is the MBA Executive Management for the candidates admitted from 2009 and 2010 only. Timetable for MCA. Next timetable is for B.Ed candidates admitted from academic year 2013-14 and 2015-16. And this is the timetable for B.Ed candidates admitted from academic year 2016-17 onwards. Next timetable is for diploma courses. First one is PGDCA. PG Diploma in International Business. Next, PG Diploma in Yoga Education. PG Diploma in Bioinformatics. PG Diploma in Catering Science and Hotel Management. PG Diploma in Communicative English. Diploma in Food Production. Diploma in Hospitality Management. Advanced Diploma in Hospitality Management. BSc degree Catering Science and Hospital Management with the third year for Diploma in Hospital Management and Diploma in Food Production. Diploma in Communicative English, Diploma in 3D Animation, Diploma in Web Specialist, Diploma in 3D Animation and VFX, Diploma in Acupuncture Science, Certificate course in Acupuncture Science, Diploma in Airline and Airport Management, Diploma in Business Management and Accounting, with a Diploma in Virtual Interactive Business Experiment Systems, PG Diploma in Fire and Safety Management, PG Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, BSc Catering Science and Hospital Management, Diploma in Front Office Management, PG Diploma in Insurance Management, Postgraduate Diploma in Public Accounting, Diploma in Restaurant Service, PG Diploma in Management Accounting, Diploma in Animation and VFX, PG Diploma in Fitness Management, Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Diploma in Interior Design, Diploma in Costume and Fashion Design, Diploma in Yoga for Human Excellence. In my next section, I'll be uploading online exam demo. So to know my upcoming videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.